So guys, this is how it looks. So we need a tray and a scooper. I thought you're my assistant.
But I'm just checking if all the things you need.
Good for lactating moms as well. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Toni, and for today's video, we're gonna try to make oatmeal cream pie. So this recipe guys is actually from Chef Miko Aspiras, and medyo nag-trend siya last week with the hashtag Quaker Oats Cream Pie. Since Quaker Oats is the sponsor of that one, and then if you want, they have actually this kit guys with all the ingredients in it. So if you want to have that kit and to be delivered at your doorstep, so I'll just put the link in the description box below, and that's why we'll try to bake it today. So now guys, I have here my
little assistant.
and then
Could cook ice cream.
yeah, he likes ice cream guys. And then so before anything else guys, you need to preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And then so just like the usual cookies guys, we need first to cream the butter and our sugar. So all the ingredients guys, again, I will put the exact measurements in the description box below, so i-check na lang ninyo, okay? So here we have a bowl. So actually guys, pwede siya na bowl lang, and you can do it by hand or para lang madali takaron, so we will use the mixer. And then in here we will put our butter. So since we need to cream, we need first to use the butter. So here dong. Sige. So the secret to a good cookie guys, or a yummy cookie, is a good butter guys. So para mas lami ang inyong cookie guys, dapat you need to have that good butter. So that's one. And then we'll put in our sugar. So do you want to put the sugar?
Yes.
You put everything inside. So we're just gonna cream this one guys. And then so we'll just wait guys until it creams, or you know guys na cream na siya is when the butter is sticks to the sides of the bowl. So I'll just show you if it's already creamed. So guys, this is how it looks. If you can see it, it sticks to the sides, so that's how you know na it's cream. Now guys, we will add in our wet ingredients. So we need 1 egg. Yeah. And then since we don't have molasses guys, it's okay, we will substitute it to honey. So we need a honey. Can you get the tablespoon, kuya?
Okay, you're sure?
Yeah, that's a tablespoon. So we'll put you just not there, no, like that. Okay, because I'll put. And then, okay, so you pour it there. Everything, kuya. And then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. It sticks. Yeah, it's okay. And then this one.
Okay.
You hold.
It looks like vitamins.
No, it's not a vitamin. This is vanilla. So
Yes, but it looks like vitamins.
yeah, the bottle. So no, you hold. You put it there. Okay, and another one. Okay. So our wet ingredients, guys.
Are we gonna stir it?
No, we're not gonna stir it. We'll just put it here, okay? So when it's mixing, guys, when it's already mixed up, we will add in our dry ingredients. So guys, I actually forgot to mention what's inside our dry ingredients. So in here, guys, we have our flour, our cinnamon or baking soda, our nutmeg, and then our main ingredient, which is the oatmeal. So we'll just gonna mix this one up because it's all incorporated now. So we'll just little by little slowly put in our dry ingredients. Low mix lang siya, guys. So that's it. All is incorporated, and we're just gonna scoop this one before we load in the oven. So we need a tray and a scooper. And we also need a kwande, guys, this one, to level it up. Do you want to help? Do you want to help me? So we'll just scoop this one up. Actually, guys, you can also grease this one, pero pwede ra siya nga dili na i-grease actually. So we'll just scoop, and then we'll just level it, and then like that. So ayaw lang po ninyo siya iduol og ayo, guys. You want to try? Yeah? No thanks. I thought you're my assistant.
But I'm just checking if you already. I get a bond paper for you. Get
Okay.
all the things you need.
So guys, 3 inches
Not
apart.
bad. You.
So now, guys, we'll try to load this one in our oven.
A few moments later.
So guys, while our cookies are baking in the oven, we will make the filling. So in making the filling, guys, we will need the mixer, and then we will add in our butter. So we'll just add in our butter. We will cream this one with the powdered sugar. So we'll just beat the butter up and then slowly add in our powdered sugar. So high speed, guys. And then we'll slowly add in our So when it's incorporated, guys, we will add in our cream. So the whipped cream, 3 tablespoons. And then we will also add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is also known as a buttercream filling, guys. We'll just scrape the sides a little, guys, para ma-incorporate dun siya. So, there you have it. We now have our filling. So we'll just wait for our cookies to bake, and we'll assemble it later.
Eventually.
So now, guys, our oatmeal cookies are already baked, and then what we will do now is we're gonna assemble our cookies and our filling. So we'll just take one, and then we also need a piping bag, guys, with about 1/4 of amyang whole, and then we'll just assemble it. So your buttercream filling. So this cookie, guys, since it's made up of oatmeal, is good for, it has rich in iron, so it's good for the immunity. Good for lactating moms as well. So we'll just pipe. And then the same size, kindly. So there you have it, guys, our oatmeal cream pie. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna taste it if okay ba siya, or very yummy, guys. Dili jud siya sweet. Maybe the filling may makadala og sweetness sa iyahang cookie, but it's actually very yummy. So if you want, you can try this one at home. It is very easy, guys. You can actually, if you don't have a mixer, you can do it by hand. So your oatmeal cream pie. And by the way, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will continue to support me, and please do hit the like and subscribe buttons, and see you on my next video.